All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, what's going on in the market, mining the cryptocurrency, buying the cryptocurrency, staking the cryptocurrency, even using that BlockFi credit card and getting your rewards in Bitcoin cryptocurrency. So, with today, we're going to be talking about Solana. Solana is going absolutely crazy. I mean, again, for the last few weeks, it broke into the top 10 and it was at number 8. Then it moved up number 7. Now it just took over number 6. So Solana is number 6 on the charts. It just flip-flopped with the Dogecoin. There's a lot of great news going on with Solana. They're actually saying that Solana could be the next Ethereum. When we talk about these prices, 200 and some dollars, to Ethereum's prices, you may want to buckle up on this one. They always talk about buckling up on cryptocurrency because it can go up and down and stuff. We're all looking for the next Ethereum and Bitcoin. I think we may have it here. So with that, don't forget to hit like our videos, hit subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on editing. So one of our things on the show, as we always talk about, we can't wait till one day that every single person has cryptocurrency. One day that everybody has some Dogecoin or some Solana or has some ADA. Or when they're talking about, when I was 12 years old, my dad invested this into an account and now I'm going to college. I mean, there's actually retirement accounts that are using cryptocurrency. They actually invest in their retirement accounts right now. So there's cryptocurrency going on everywhere. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to Solana and talk about Solana real quick. Well, we're over here at the top 10 because I actually wanted to go through the numbers of Solana in the top 10 first. So we're going to go right to the number where Solana's at. It's at number 6. Look at this, guys. It's up 93% in the last 7 days. That's right. In the last 7 days, it's almost up 100%. The coin is trading at $214. It's up 19, almost 20% in the last 24 hours. This coin is absolutely taking over. Going to number 1, Bitcoin trading at 46,000. There's a dip in Bitcoin right now, 6.94% in the last 7 days. Ethereum's at trading at 3507. It's down about 6.82%. Cardano is actually under 250, $2.44 the coin. It's actually down 18%. Binance coin is down 17%. This can actually be the time that they talk about buying the dip. Then they talk about finding where the coins are going down. I mean, if you believe in your heart that this Binance coin is going to go back up, if you believe that Bitcoin is going to go back up to 50,000, if you believe Ethereum is going to go back up to 39 that it was just at, we were just talking about how it was kissing 4,000 the other day. So, again, all our information on this channel are for educational purposes only. But with all that being said, this top 10 list has been helping us out a lot. We got Tether at number 5. And look at that, Solana, SOL, $214 a coin. Going off the chart. XRP is at $1.10. It's down 10% in the last 7 days. Dogecoin used to be in front of Solana. Used to be. Dogecoin is trading at only quarter right now, 25 cents. It's also down 16%. If you're a Dogecoin person and you're into building your Doge, I mean, this coin was just at 34 cents the other day. It's at a quarter. I mean, this could be a good time to get back and reposition in. Polkadot is at number 9, down 14%. USD coin number 9. I'm sorry, Polkadot's number 10. And then couple going to the 20. Binance USD number 12. Bitcoin Cash is at number 13. Chainlink 14. Litecoin. This Litecoin was at over $200 the other day. It's at 180, down about 1.18%. So with that, let's go to the top here. The global market cap is over 2.1 trillion. Slight decrease in the last 24 hours. All right, everybody. So we're over here actually at Solana's website. So have to take a look at this. The powerful for developers, fast for everyone. Start building. Solana is decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. So going on the website, it talks about the network over here. It's got 3 different things you can choose. Validators, secure the ledger, earn SOL, decentralize the network by providing computing resources. Validators form the backbone of Solana's network by processing transactions and participating in censuses. Each validating help makes Solana the most censorship resistant and highest performing blockchain network in the world. So yeah, right here at the website, talking about the community join the crypto revolution. Again, we talk about this all the time. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. It's absolutely here to stay. I mean, Burger King in Brazil, they're offering dog purrs with Dogecoin right now that you can buy as little dog biscuits for your dog. You're limited to 5 per order, but you buy them in Dogecoin. You can also buy them in regular money too, but it's a promotion they have that you buy it in Dogecoin, so that's absolutely awesome. AMC is going to be accepting cryptocurrency by the end of the year. We've been talking about AMP and Flex the Network and the Spenda app, how everybody's going to be using cryptocurrency to buy their goods and services using the Spenda app. So again, cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. So with that, join the crypto revolution again. Hear from the CEO. Chat with us directly. Learn in depth. I mean, so they got a pretty good website here. The ecosystem we talk about all the time. The best companies built on Solana, FTX. I mean, so, you can kind of scroll through their website here. Pretty interesting, information on this. I mean, so you want to play a little bit on there. All right, so we're over here at Solana. So we picked this. Click the button. It says start building, run a validator node, create an SPL token, learn how Solana works, manage a wallet, integrate an exchange, learn how Solana works. So Solana cluster, so you have some information here, creating a cluster, joining a cluster, sending transactions to a cluster, confirming the transactions. So you got all kinds of information here. I'm not going to dig deep into this. I'm just kind of like going around here a little bit, showing you over here on the wallets. You got the different wallets that you can use, staking the crypto, staking on Solana. It says staking on Solana. It's obviously going through the different terms and conditions. How do I stake my SOL tokens? So it's talking about that, how you use a wallet, how you create a staking account. You follow the wallet's instructions for creating a staking account. The account will be on a different type than the ones used to simply send and receive tokens. Select the validator from the wallet, instructions for selecting the validator. So again, we learned in cryptocurrency, you can buy the cryptocurrency, you can mine the cryptocurrency, you can stake the cryptocurrency, you can use a credit card, BlockFi, and get rewards in cryptocurrency. All right, so yeah, just kind of looking at this. Down here it says delegate your stake your accounts for details. For more information about the operations permissions associated, please contact us. So pretty interesting stuff. Again, Solana is off the charts right now. Looking at everything. Here's something on Reddit. It says Solana is at 6th place. Yes, you heard that right. Solana is number 6 by the market right now. Just recently flipped or surpassed the Ripple by market cap. That's insane. Solana is considered as good as Ethereum alternative, and that really makes everybody happy. All right, back over here to the part where it's talking about start building. I'm talking about run a validator node. It says select to describe how to run a Solana validator node. There are several clusters available to connect to. See the choosing cluster, and you kind of over here, starting a validator, so confirm the cluster is reachable. Staking, which one I wanted to show you here. Running a validator, add it to your exchange. The node setup, it's going to talk to you how to set up your node. Automatic restart and monitoring. The ledger, validating. Over here, validator requirements. It talks about hardware requirements. So CPU. So, everybody that's doing the GPU mining, take a look right here. GPUs, not strictly necessary at this time. You need a motherboard and a power supply. So on this right here, you can actually go to Solana, go to their website. It sounds like if you want to mine Solana and actually stake the coin, you can do that right here. It's going to have all the different things, the RAM you're going to need, the CPU size, the disk size. So a lot of good things going on with Solana. And I just kind of wanted to just have you take a look at this. If Solana is actually right here at number 6 and it's trading for $208 a coin, and this thing is up 86%, which again, if you were listening to my channel about a week or two ago and you just decided to buy, let's just have a little fun with Solana, you're definitely liking that we're talking about this. But I just wanted, if they're talking about this being a comparison to Ethereum, take a look at this price. $3,400, $209. $3,400, $209. I mean, this thing is climbing. I don't know when to get in or not, but I mean, if this coin goes to 400 or 500, I mean, it's talking about Ethereum. I mean, what if this is the next one that just, I mean, This is crazy. So again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Paying attention to this, Solana is absolutely the talk of everything. I've been getting mine on this Binance. So basically, cryptocurrency, buying it, staking it, getting the rewards. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to our channel. Every single day we bring you a video at 1 o'clock in the afternoon to keep you updated on what's going on in cryptocurrency. So again, don't forget to hit right here to see our most recent video. So think about this again. You know, here in 2021, in 3 years from now, 2 years from now, if you're playing with cryptocurrency and you're just investing a little bit, buying some on Binance Coin, staking it, and you're doing that, I mean, in 3 or 4 years, this thing can go crazy. So you definitely want to be paying attention to what's going on in the market. Definitely be careful what you're investing in and what you're putting your coins in. We kind of like the mining of the cryptocurrency. The M2 Pro we just got in. That's an absolutely nice little thing. The helium miners, we like that. So with that, don't forget to tune into our channel. We'll see you tomorrow and have a freaking fantastic day.